All right, that white birch is done. What else we got on the pile here? It's like nice crooked red oak, big knob down there that's gonna probably be full of dirt. It's like the next section of said oak and the very tip. And then we have an enormous popple log. You know, some of you guys call that aspen. We call them popples around here. Had some white birch up on there before. Got some maple over there. We got a mixed bag here because we're just cleaning up some piles before the snow comes in here, and we need some place to push the dang stuff.